I'm Erica Lal, and I am a professional ballet dancer. Ballet is definitely the biggest part of my life. If I'm feeling sad, if I'm feeling angry, I love that you can feel a certain way and you can put that into your art. I'm gonna take you through my day, so it starts with a sort of like grounding morning routine, and then I'll take my journey to the studio. I don't typically wear a lot of makeup, but when I do, it has to be long wear. I'm traveling from home to the studio to stage, and I want to make sure that my makeup moves with me and I can be confident that it will last. The first thing I start with is the Revlon ColorStay foundation. It's nice and light. Next is the ColorStay Skin Awaken Concealer. This creates such a great base that will last me all day. Next, I use the ColorStay Micro Brow Pencil. The microfine tip creates such natural hair-like strokes. Then, I use the spoolie side and blend that all in. I like to build the lid with the Revlon ColorStay Day to Night palette. Just dab it right into that crease on my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna be using the ColorStay Micro Easy Precision Liquid Liner. Yeah, it's gonna last me throughout the day, which is ideal for a ballet dancer. So I always have a little sparkle. If you know me, I always have sparkles. And this is perfect. Good. The Revlon ColorStay Cream Eyeshadow in shade 740. Yes, look at her. So last but not least is the lip. I'm gonna use ColorStay Satin Ink. I like that it's still natural, but has a little bit of color. So that's it, that's my look. We're gonna head to the studio now, so let's go. Still looking good. I think being confident is just feeling like my best self. Especially when I'm on stage, it just feels effortless and free. You put in all that hard work in rehearsals and class, and then the final product is what you put out on stage for all of the audiences to see. And just the kind of response you get from the audience, they're clapping, they're screaming, and makes you feel so warm, you know?
Get it.
And then in life, I feel my most confident when I feel beautiful, whether that's no makeup or a glam look or a natural look. On the daily, I just try to be as authentically myself as possible. So that's the end of my rehearsal day, and I'm headed to the theater now. And I know that Revlon ColorStay is gonna carry me throughout the night.